When you're ready to put your cold pod away, the main thing I recommend is letting it dry out completely. I put it up on a dry surface, and I actually had it upside down for about an hour. It's really hot today, so it dried fast, but depending on your circumstances, you may need to bring it indoors. Just make sure it dries out all the way. I like to have it upside down so I can pull out all the anchor legs really easily and just stick them in the bag. Once I have all the legs out, I want to empty the top ring, and it's actually pretty smart. This is when you want to pump it up, but it has a second section to it right here, and it empties super fast. Once it's fully deflated, I just start at the bottom circle and fold that in, fold it in half one way, and fold it in half again. And now I can tuck this right into the bag. Next up is the cover. Super easy, just fold it in half. And finally, you got that tube that closes right back up. And if there's still a little moisture in it, that's not as big of a deal because this is a breathable bag, and so this will get the oxygen it needs to dry out. But if any of these folds still have water in them, they won't dry out very easily. And there you have it. Cold pod is ready to go. Take it on a trip, pack it away for whatever need you have. This portable cold pod can be there for you.